Hey everyone! Today we're taking a look at a brand new mid-range contender from Samsung, the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. This device is expected to launch in April 2026, and on paper, it actually brings some pretty interesting upgrades, especially in display, performance, and battery. So in this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know, from the design, display, performance, camera, all the way to battery and features, and see whether this is a phone worth waiting for. Let's get started. Starting from the design, the Galaxy A37 comes with a pretty clean and modern Samsung look. It has a glass front and back protected by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, paired with a plastic frame. It measures just 7.4 millimeters thick and weighs around 196 grams, so it should feel fairly slim and comfortable in the hand. Another big highlight here is the IP68 rating, meaning it's dust-tight and water-resistant up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, which is something you don't always get in this price segment. For SIM options, you get Nano SIM and eSIM support, with flexibility depending on the region. Moving on to the display, this is definitely one of the strongest points of the Galaxy A37. You're getting a large 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. It supports up to 1200 nits in high brightness mode and peaks at 1900 nits, which means outdoor visibility should be excellent. The resolution is Full HD Plus at 1080 by 2340 pixels, giving you sharp visuals with around 385 ppi. And of course, being AMOLED, you can expect deep blacks, vibrant colors, and a great overall viewing experience, whether you're watching videos, gaming, or just scrolling through social media. Now let's talk about performance. The Galaxy A37 is powered by the Exynos 1480 chipset, built on a 4nm process. It features an octa-core CPU and an Xclipse 530 GPU, which should deliver solid performance for daily use and even moderate gaming. In terms of memory, you get options ranging from 6GB up to 12GB of RAM, with storage choices of 128GB or 256GB. However, there's no micro SD card slot here. On the software side, it runs Android 16 with One UI 8.5, and Samsung promises up to 6 major Android upgrades, which is a huge plus for long-term usability. For the camera setup, the Galaxy A37 comes with a triple camera system. The main camera is a 50-megapixel sensor with OIS, which should help with both sharp photos and stable videos. Then you have an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera for wider shots and a 5-megapixel macro lens for close-up details. For video, it supports up to 4K recording at 30 FPS, along with gyro EIS for stabilization. On the front, there's a 12-megapixel selfie camera that also supports 4K video and even 10-bit HDR, which is pretty impressive for this segment. Battery-wise, the Galaxy A37 packs a 5000 mAh battery, which is pretty standard, but still very reliable for all-day usage. What's more interesting is the 45-watt wired fast charging support, which should significantly reduce charging time compared to older models. So, overall, you're getting a combination of good endurance and faster top-ups. In terms of connectivity and features, the Galaxy A37 supports full 5G connectivity, along with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, and NFC depending on the region. It also includes stereo speakers, but there's no 3.5mm headphone jack. For security, you get an under-display optical fingerprint scanner, along with standard sensors like gyro, compass, and more. So overall, the Samsung Galaxy A37 looks like a well-balanced mid-range smartphone with a strong focus on display quality, solid performance, long-term software support, and reliable battery life. It might not be revolutionary, but it definitely checks a lot of important boxes for everyday users and even tech enthusiasts. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.